Uh, Good morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Raspberry Government Adarsh Women's College. Today we are going to read HSC 2022 English First Paper Short Syllabus, Unit 1, Lesson 3, Two Women. Serial of the classes 7, 8 and 9, prescribed by the NCTB short syllabus. So you follow Unit 1, Lesson 3, Two Women. Serial of the classes 7, 8 and 9. Today we will try to cover class number 7, 8 and 9. Though it will not be finished in one classes, in our next class we will be able to finish the classes. So dear students, now we are reading Two Women. Who are the two women? Let us see. This lesson is about two women who have written their name in the history by stepping to the outer world. They are Valentine Tereshkova from Central Russia and Kalpana Chawla from India. Tereshkova was a working class lady. She had a vision towards the goal and was selected from more than 400 applicants. She was the first woman in the world history to travel to space in 1963. She spent more than 3 days in space and made 40 rounds around the Earth. She made a successful journey and came back to Earth safely. Later, she earned her doctorate and became a Presidium member of Soviet Union in 1977. Still, she desires to travel to the Mars at her very old age. However, Kalpana Chawla was not lucky like her. She was the first Indian woman to travel to the space. This South Indian lady successfully completed her education in aerospace engineering from both India and the USA. She joined NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, with a desire to be an astronaut. After the successful mission in 1997, she was sent second time in 2003 and died along with her fellow crew due to some technical problems just 60 minutes before landing. These two history-making brave women can be followed by upcoming ambitious women in all respects. Now let us read the text about Valentina Tereshkova. Valentina Tereshkova was born in the village Maslenikova, Tutovsky district in Central Russia. Valentina Tereshkova was born in the village Maslenikovo, Tutovsky district in Central Russia. Tereshkova's father was tractor driver and her mother worked in a textile plant. Tereshkova began school in 1945 at the age of 8, but left school in 1953 and continued her education through distance learning. She became interested in parachuting from a young age and trained in skydiving at the local aero club, making her first jump at the age of 22 on 21st July, 1st May 1959. At that time, she was employed in a textile worker in a local factory. It was her experience in skydiving that led to her selection as a cosmonaut. After the flight of Yuri Gagarin, the first human being to travel to outer space in 1961, the Soviet Union decided to send a woman in space. On 16 February 1962, Proletaria Valentina Tereshkova was selected for this project. From among more than 400 applicants, Tereshkova had to undergo a series of training that included weightless flights, isolation tests, centrifuge tests, rocket theory, spacecraft engineering, 122 parachute jumps, and pilot training in MiG-15 UTI jet fighters. Since the successful launch of the spacecraft Vostok 5 on 14 June 1963, Tereshkova began preparing her own flight. On the morning of 16 June 1963, Tereshkova and her backup cosmonaut Solovyova were dressed in space suits and taken to the space shuttle launch pad by a bus. After completing her communication and life support checks, she was sealed inside Vostok 6. Finishing a 2-hour countdown, Vostok 6 launched faultlessly. Although Tereshkova experienced nausea and physical discomfort for much of the flight, she orbited the Earth 14 times. Now let us read about Kalpana Chawla of India. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, India. She completed her early schooling at Tagore Bal Niketan Senior Secondary School, Karnal. She is the first Indian-born woman and the second person in space from this subcontinent. After graduating in aeronautical engineering from Punjab Engineering College, India, in 1982, Chawla moved to the United States, and the same year she obtained her master's degree in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas in 1984. Later, she did her PhD in aerospace engineering in 1988 from University of Colorado. Determined to become an astronaut even in the face of Challenger disaster 1986 that broke apart 73 seconds into its flight, leading to the deaths of its 7 crew members. Chawla joined NASA in 1988. She began working as a vice president where she did computational fluid dynamics (CFD) research on vertical takeoff and landing. In 1991, she got US citizenship and started her career as a NASA astronaut in 1995. She was selected for her first flight in 1996. She spoke the following words while traveling in the weightlessness of space. "You are just your intelligence." She had traveled 10.67 million miles, as many as 252 times around the Earth. Her first space mission STS-87, began on 19 November 1997 with 6 other astronauts on the Space Shuttle Columbia. On her first mission that lasted for 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes and 4 seconds, she traveled 6.5 million miles. She was responsible for deploying the Spartan satellite, which however malfunctioned, necessitating a spacewalk by Winston Scott and Tycho Doi, 2 of her fellow astronauts, to retrieve the satellite. In 2000, she was selected for her second space mission, STS-107. This mission was repeatedly delayed due to scheduling conflicts and technical problems. On 16 January 2003, Kalpana Chawla finally started her new mission with 6 other space crew on the ill-fated Space Shuttle Columbia. She was one of the mission specialists. Chawla's responsibilities included the microgravity experiments, for which the crew conducted nearly 80 experiments studying Earth and space science, advanced technology and development, and astronauts' health and safety. After a 16-day scientific mission in space on 1 February 2003, Columbia disintegrated over Texas during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. While the crew in Columbia, including Chawla, died only 16 minutes prior to their scheduled landing. Investigation shows that this fatal accident happened due to a damage in one of Columbia's wings caused by a piece of insulating foam from the external fuel tank, fending off during the launch. During the intense heat of re-entry, what gases penetrated the interior of the wing, destroying the support structure and causing the rest of the shuttle to break down. This is the story of two women. One is Valentina Tereshkova and one is Kalpana Chawla. Valentina Tereshkova was a Russian citizen and Kalpana Chawla was Indian citizen. Both of them were the first women who traveled in the space. So these women are very respected and remembered for their contribution in space discovery. Thank you everybody.